Hey traders, quick update on Chiliz. CHZ is down about 4% in the last 24 hours, now trading near $0.035. But here's the twist, trading volume is strong. So what does that mean? It could be buyers stepping in, getting ready for a bullish move, or it might be a trap with more downside coming. Right now, it's a wait and watch zone. If price holds and pushes up, bullish. If it slips further, likely a trap. Stay sharp and don't rush in. Also, quick update, we've just released our latest Chiliz crypto price prediction update. Support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for Chiliz crypto. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime. Happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.